Any data that you enter into CheckPoint can be shown in the map spatially. The map opens and a layers and properties window will appear. You click in the layers, you can then come into the properties for that particular item and change the map to display how you want. You can add in layers from mapping data such as shapefiles. Select the shapefile, tell the system the geodesy of the shapefile, and then you can select that data, select what the area you're interested in, and the system will load that in and display that in the map. When you zoom around, if you want to, you can use the button on the toolbar, the Show Map Extent button, just to return back to the full data extent. If you're constantly having to zoom in and out, use the Save Map Extent button, and that will mean that whenever you enter the software you want, the system will display the area that you're most interested in. The other option you can add in is add a manual point. So you can come in with a latitude and longitude or an easting and northing and add in a point. You can also do this by right-clicking on the map and adding in that point into there. With the points you have on the map, you can then interface with the size of the icon that's displayed. You can also put labeling on. You can set up exclusion zones if you want to as well. For any of the other options, particularly the project data, the pre-plot, just click and you can edit these and set these up as you want.